Good morning, guys. This is the face of a multitasker. So I'm about to fix some coffee and my breakfast. I'm doing a little pore strip before I do my makeup. I'm trying to be a little bit quiet because Dustin is sleeping, and I'm just getting ready for work. So I think I'm gonna do the same makeup that I did yesterday. That's just kind of light and quick. And yeah, so I'll talk to you guys more when I get downstairs. Okay, we're downstairs now. Just gonna rip my face off real quick. Oh. Okay, you guys, so as I was saying, today I work until about 8 or 9, 8:30 or 9, and Dustin originally was going to work on his movie room today, but I think he has to go get his car from the shop today. I'll check with him and see what he's doing. I'm gonna do my makeup pretty much how I did yesterday, and then I will check back in with you guys. I'm really proud of myself, you guys, because I just finished my whole video editing it in like an hour and 15 minutes, so I'm really impressed with that. I have got to go do my hair though and get ready, so I'm gonna leave my camera plugged in here to charge for a little bit, and then I'm going to try to fix some lunch before I leave. So that's where we're at right now. Hey guys, so I just got home from work. This was my outfit today. It's a little pajama shirt that I think that little trend is so cute. Just some jeans and my booties. So Dustin had to go do a couple things with his car today. We finally have his car back. Tomorrow though, I'm really looking forward to the 4th of July celebration. I'm just excited about it. I think I'm gonna do my first like childhood story sometime soon. I know what I want to film it on, and I feel like everybody has this kind of story from their childhood. Not everyone, but a lot of people do, unfortunately. But mine, the focus is not on the incident, it's about the reactions. So anyways, I look really tan in this light, Dustin's computer light. I like it. Hope that you guys had a good day today. I'm not ending this vlog, I don't think yet, but I know that I didn't have like hardly anything. I didn't film anything, but I will let you know I was really impressed with myself. Before I left for work, I told myself, okay, I'm like, you're gonna get an hour to just edit. 1 hour, and then whatever you get done is done. I gave myself 15 extra minutes and ended up editing the entire video that went up on the video that went up on the 3rd. I edited all within an hour and started rendering it, and I was like, yes, I was so proud and happy that I got that done. And so anyways, I don't know if I'll have a lot from today. If I don't, I might combine it with tomorrow just because I know it'll be a fun day. I'm gonna show you guys actually the guest bathroom and downstairs Dustin's movie room, because those are the next things kind of to get a makeover. We're gonna paint the guest bathroom, and I think it'll make, okay, a really big difference. So this is like an odd thing to show, especially because it's like tiny. This is our bathroom right now. I don't know if you guys can tell, but this is almost like a weird, it wants to be mustard, but it's green color. I really like the backsplash here, but I would rather it be like one of these pretty blue colors, or even brown if it wasn't too dark, but as it is, it's like this color, and I just don't like it, and I think it'll make it look cleaner and bigger to have it a different color. This is our shower curtain. Our theme for this bathroom was blue and brown. Okay. So as you guys know, if you come down the stairs and we go this way, that's my room. If we go this way, this is Dustin's room. You want to lead us around it? We always have to look for spiders in these rooms, so
there's a lot of stuff.
Yeah, let me back up.
But none of it is set yet. So we've got boxes with stuff. Got all my movies here. Got some furniture and all my junk on the shelves, which I'll have to take all off when we paint it. And the sofa and all. But we're gonna come in here and rip out the carpet.
Yes.
I think that's a spider. When we rip out the carpet, then we'll paint the walls and the built-in. And then that's that.
Someone commented asking if she ever gets to get out of her crate. And I was like, oh, because it does kind of seem like in my vlogs that she's like only gets out of her crate.
Gets out?
Yeah. Does she get to roam the house or she stays in her crate? And what I said was this. We, in an effort to get Suki completely potty trained, only let her stay in this room completely supervised. And we don't let her in any room unsupervised. So we don't let her in the office or in the guest room or in our room upstairs because of the carpet. We have Berber, I think that's what it's called.
Yeah.
Carpet. So if her claws catch any of it, it like can rip everything up potentially. So we don't let her in any of those rooms. So really the only rooms she's allowed to be in the house is this one and downstairs in the beauty room. And the dining room, like on her way out. So she's not allowed in the kitchen either. She does get to get out of her crate a whole lot.
She does.
And
she's just still at that age too where she's a little destructive, so we want to make sure we have our eyes on her all the time.
Yeah, like if we can't be in here sitting with her and her doing something, then she's in her crate.
In the crate.
And she really does love her crate. Like we don't let her stay in there 24/7. And in fact, I think it's funny, sometimes we'll be watching TV and if we like look over at her, one of us will be like, she's really cute, I'm gonna go get her. Yeah. Like, yeah. She's just a cutie,
And to prove the point that she loves her crate, a lot of times if I grab a treat, she'll go to her crate. Like, oh, do I need to go there now?
Sometimes even if you don't get a treat, she'll just run in and get in it. So what we started to do when we took her to her obedience classes, they were telling us how many hours basically a day and a week your dog needed to really, really play. And so we'll like take her out for an hour or two and completely exhaust her so she can come in and nap for a little while. She's almost growing out of that, I feel like though, like she's almost old enough not to do that anymore. But anyways, I'm not saying any of this in like a defensive, angry way. I just did notice it was like in all of my vlog clips, I'm like, and there's Suki in her crate. And I was like, man, they think that
she's just nothing but crate.
She's nothing but crate, but she's really not. She gets to ride in the car a lot. We try to take her on a lot of road trips. Okay, I think we're gonna eat dinner now, you guys, so we'll see you maybe after. Hey guys, happy 4th of July. I look like a foot right now, but I just finished getting my skin kind of ready, and Dustin had to run up to the store to get a couple things before we go over to his parents' house today. And I'm gonna do my makeup right now. So what I'm thinking I'm gonna do, I don't have any colorful liner. Really, like my biggest want in life is all of the NYX like colorful liquid liners, but I don't have any colorful liners at all. Literally all I have is black and maybe a brown. So I'm gonna improvise and use this LA Girl Pro Coverage. This is like a mix-in for your foundation if it's too dark. So I'm gonna use this, and then I'm going to just try to figure out what blue and red I can use, and we will see. So wish me luck. I'm not gonna film it because I'm probably gonna get frustrated and like quit and just go back to bed, but we'll see. You guys, right now, first of all, crazy makeup, but 4th of July, so YOLO. I'm like making our fruit salad and trying to get the cupcakes ready and everything like that. And I look over to see Dustin putting frosting on a blueberry.
That'd be good.
So the fruit salad, I'm hoping it's gonna be good. It has strawberries, blackberries, blueberries, and it called for raspberries, but I personally don't like raspberries, so I didn't get any, selfish. I think kiwi would be good in this too. And then a tablespoon of honey and a tablespoon of lemon juice. So, lime juice.
Lime.
So hopefully it's good. Our cupcakes are cooking, and then we have some cherries that also go in this, but ours are not pitted, so we just are gonna bring us like a side bowl of it. And yeah, that's all for now. Hello everyone. Me and Dustin just got back from our 4th of July festivities, and it was a lot of fun. We, about midway through, brought Suki over, and that was an event. We were trying to get her comfortable enough to either get in the pool or just be around the pool, because one of Dustin's dogs gets really, really anxious when people swim. She barks and like gets anxiety, I feel like, pretty much. So they've told us all along in puppy training, get her used to like as many environments and people and situations that you can, so she's not freaking out. And she did so good. She put her first little paws in it, her first paws, like she's got several, her front paws in it. We had hamburgers and hot dogs. They were so good. And right now, since I don't have tons and tons of footage, what?
My phone's frozen.
Uh-oh. I made cupcakes and fruit salad that was so unbelievably good, like so much better than I even imagined it. I think I told you guys earlier, but if I did not, the entire recipe is cherries, blackberries, raspberries, blueberries, strawberries. Did I already say cherries? Anyways, all those. A tablespoon of honey and a tablespoon of lime juice, and then it said lime zest too, but I didn't use any zest. I just used the juice in the honey and it was so good. So yeah, I'm gonna do a little time lapse of cleaning the kitchen, and then I guess we'll end out this vlog. I didn't think I was going to combine yesterday's and today's. I just didn't do enough yesterday because of working most of the day. So I don't know. It's fine.
That's all it is now.
No, it'll come back.
Okay.
You just have to give it a minute, I think.
Okay.
Okay, looking better. I just remembered though I actually have to fold some laundry and put that away too. I didn't wipe away my setting powder today and it's very obvious now in this lighting. It's okay. So I'm gonna go do my laundry, then we will do that. Finally done. I think I've done everything that I want to for right now. I was just telling Dustin that I've recently gotten all these new books and I haven't had time to sit down and read any of them, so I think I'm gonna edit for a little while and then hopefully get to play with those for a little bit. You hear your neighbor dog barking, my love? Oh, you had such a fun day, huh? You're so sleepy. You take a nap, my love bug. Can you say happy 4th to everybody? Say happy 4th of July. I have an Instagram page if you want to follow me. It's just Suki Weldon. It's Suki. That your name? Suki Kaya. She's like, stop touching me so I can sleep. Okay, say bye everybody.
Bye, Suki.
Bye. See you
Bye,
tomorrow.
Suki.